PD Day really brings together what it means to be a network of schools, really epitomizes collaboration across different campuses. We have Nanshan campus, Futian School and Futian Kindergarten here today, as well as Guangming campus. All the early years teachers who are all experts in their field coming together to share knowledges across various workshops. We have different pathways. We have a kindergarten pathway, we have an early years pathway, specialist pathways, a monitors pathway for our life care teachers, and also the PE also have their own pathway together. So we've really developed on previous years the more complexity of our PD Day and focused in the specialist areas to give more meaning to the workshops to support our teachers and our staff professional development.
PD Day at BASIS schools is a really important time for teachers to get together to learn from each other, to learn from teachers, from chairs, and from heads of division too. So I'm really excited that we got to bring many campuses together, BKFT, BKNS, BBSC, and Guangming as well, all together to learn. It's a great day where people get to network, share their ideas, and learn collectively. So my PD was on Project Power, and so my focus was on sharing a project I've done as a teacher and helping teachers understand what world discovery can be, to help them better understand how we can approach project work, support children in their learning and their play, and make learning as fun and as engaging as possible. So I shared real life examples with them and got them to interact with me as well and talk about what concerns they have, what questions they have, so they have a better understanding when they walk into their classroom of how to do world discovery and how to follow children's interests.
I am Jenny Nelson, the head of the ECE at Guangming, and this is Ellie the elephant. We're so glad you're here today. I would like to say a huge thank you to Tara and to Josh. I've known them for 3 years, and to see them in action today and just to applaud them for putting this whole big smorgasbord possibilities, professional development together. So I'm very impressed with the facilities, with how organized everything was, the food, all the presenters. I think our team is going back with many, many ideas to use at BBGM. So today's event really helped us understand how big of a family and how important each member of the family is for us to come together and meet people that do our same job in this same network. So we're very, very grateful to have been included in today's event.
I think we feel very confident as educators coming here for this wonderful opportunity, and we've learned so much from each other, and I think these experiences that we've had today is going to reflect on the students' experiences, and it's just such a great thing to have with all of us together. Thank you so much.